Welcome to Positive Affirmations for personal growth and expansion. Led by Queen Zen of Zengoddess Wellness. Let us begin. Take a moment to breathe deep breath in and deep breath out. Relax, get comfortable, and enjoy positive affirmations that will help you grow and expand your life. Say them to yourself as I say them to you. I am a successful person. I let go of my fears and allow my life to flow with ease. I have the power to create the life that I want to live. I give myself permission to pursue goals that make me happy. I constantly seek out new opportunities to learn. I take time to dream about my wonderful future. I am in charge of my own life. I release my past and step boldly into my future. I open myself to accept all the good that is coming my way. I view obstacles as opportunities for growth. I have everything I need inside of me to be successful. Today, I will tap into my unlimited potential to achieve success. I set meaningful goals that will expand my life and bring more good to me. I allow my blessings to overflow so that I can be a blessing to others. I love to relax and visualize my success. My creativity is the gateway to my dream life. I love learning new things about myself. My individuality is a gift that I cultivate with love. I am worthy to receive all of my blessings. I am at the perfect place in my life to pursue my passion. I am confident in my abilities to reach higher levels of success. I am free in my mind, body, and spirit. I give myself permission to enjoy my life to the fullest. My life is unfolding into something magnificent. I live in the present moment and enjoy my life now. I deserve to live a life of happiness and joy.